Tornadoes are one of nature's most fascinating and terrifying phenomena. Picture this: a swirling column of air, violently rotating, reaching from the sky down to the ground. These powerful storms can form in minutes, and when they do, they can wreak havoc in their path. But what exactly is a tornado? At its core, a tornado is a rapidly rotating column of air that extends from a thunderstorm to the ground. They typically form in severe thunderstorms, particularly supercells, which are large, rotating storms characterized by a well-defined updraft. The conditions need to be just right: warm, moist air near the surface, cooler, drier air above, and wind that changes direction and speed with altitude. This combination creates instability in the atmosphere, setting the stage for tornado formation. Once a tornado touches down, it can vary dramatically in size and strength. The enhanced Fujita scale classifies tornadoes from EF0, which can cause minor damage, to EF5, which can obliterate entire neighborhoods. An EF5 tornado can produce winds exceeding 200 miles per hour, capable of turning cars into projectiles and stripping the bark off trees. The sheer force of these storms is awe-inspiring, yet deeply frightening. Tornadoes can occur anywhere in the world, but the United States experiences more tornadoes than any other country, particularly in an area known as Tornado Alley. This region stretches from Texas through Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, and into parts of the Midwest. The peak tornado season varies by region, but in Tornado Alley, it typically runs from April to June. However, tornadoes can occur at any time of year, even in winter. One of the most intriguing aspects of tornadoes is how they can form and dissipate so quickly. A tornado can develop in just a few minutes, and just as rapidly, it can vanish. This unpredictability is what makes them so dangerous. Meteorologists use Doppler radar and other technologies to track storms and issue warnings. But even with advanced technology, predicting the exact path and strength of a tornado remains a challenge. Surviving a tornado is all about preparation. If you live in a tornado-prone area, having a plan is essential. Seek shelter in a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of your home, away from windows. If you're caught outside, finding a low-lying area like a ditch can provide some protection. Always stay informed by listening to weather alerts and having a reliable source of information. Despite their destructive nature, tornadoes also play a role in the ecosystem. They can help to clear out old trees and create new habitats for wildlife. The aftermath of a tornado can lead to a renewed landscape, albeit at a significant cost to human life and property. In the end, tornadoes remind us of the raw power of nature. They are a testament to the forces that shape our planet, both beautiful and terrifying. Understanding tornadoes not only helps us appreciate their complexity, but also empowers us to stay safe when they strike.